Hello world, my name is Jakub from Warsaw in Poland. This is my final CS50 Python project with the main goal to show importance of the passwords. When starting the program, you will be greeted with random name of the program. However, the main name is Password Wizzard. As you can see, we have 5 sub-programs. The first one is brute force attack, in which user is able to perform imaginary password attack. The default password is pass, and you're welcome to change it. We can also change the parameters of the attack. In the next program, we can check whether our password is safe. When typed password is password, the program will inform us that the password is common. So it's better to not use that password. However, if we type password like this, it will show us that the password is indeed secure. Third program is similar in reverse. It allows us to generate safe passwords based on set parameters. Fourth, give us opportunity to see hashing and encryption in action. We can encrypt our input using public and private key, as well as using our own key. The final program is just simple password manager, in which we can see if our passwords needs to be updated. We can also look at the table with passwords by typing master password, and then we can also add passwords as well as delete them using master password. And lastly, but not least, the exit option. By typing 6 or just simply pressing Ctrl+D, we'll be able to exit the program and say farewell. And this was my CS50 project.